friends? All right, so we just finished that last one. For you, it's next day, but for us, it is right now. So we only use half the thing. I've actually watched 2 things of the Masked Singers since I poured this. I don't even know if I can still use this, but I'm gonna try. I mean, it's already 2 days old. You know what? If it's gonna mess up, that's fine. It's an adventure. But I do want a little bit more black in it and more of that yellowy color. I'm pouring a whole bunch more black and a whole bunch more yellowish thing. And some of this dark blue. Okay. I'm ready, Coach. Put me in. All right, here we go. Okay. Oh, I do like how it's coming out darker already. We haven't gotten any of that yellow green in here, so any second now it's gonna be like, boom, I'm yellow green. And be like, yes you are. I'm just gonna keep going until we get some. Does anybody else get off center when you do these things? I feel like I'm getting off center right now. I started going down this way. Well, I lost concentration when I pointed, but still none of that yellow green. Where you are, yellow green. Okay, seriously? Where is it? It's not in there. Must be on the canvas already. Oh man, I love ring pours. I still have no idea where that yellow green went. You saw me pour it in, right? I poured it in. I swear I poured it in. Thought I did anyway. Man, if not, I really need to go, like, get some more sleep or something. Okay. Oh. Yeah, this is... The dark part is pretty, but we gotta, like, I don't know, come back through and temper it somehow. Okay, okay, let's go. Good enough. I guess I'm trying to find right now I think I like this blue the least right here. I mean, it's good, but I like it the least. And so I want to kind of like center it off to the edge and kind of make this a little bit more of the main show. But I'm kind of starting to lose definition in my thing, so I better stop. Okay, I better stop. I say better stop and then never better stop. I swear I still don't know where that yellow went. You guys saw me put it in, right? I'm gonna have to go back and watch the video to see if I'm going insane or not. Probably going insane. Very nice, excellent, yes, yes. Oh, one thing I didn't show you, I always pre-level my canvases. I don't know if you're like just stumbling on this video or you've been watching for a long time. I always level my canvases because fluid painting and yes, I have a turntable. I'll use it. I just really I don't know. Actually, I don't know where it is. I don't know where my baby snot sucker is. The stuff that makes babies all mad, but does really good at sucking goobers out of your paint. I don't know where a lot of my stuff is. Let's see. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna get you down. I'm gonna get you down. And I'm loving it. Man, it seems like they're always so deep with these lines, and it's so satisfying when you get like these just repeated lines that complement each other and go through each other like that. That could be a what's it called, a print right there. Ah, I love it. Let's check the edges out. I like the edges a lot of times too. Drip. Okay. Guys, thank you for watching again. It's my third video since I've been back, and I really do appreciate y'all watching. It's been a while, and so for all y'all that have waited and been patient, you're my boy Blue. But yeah, we got some things coming up too. I've got some more paint. I might just do another painting and do 3 in a row. Who knows? Things are getting crazy up in here. You better slow down that fast living because it'll catch up to you. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate y'all. Bye.